Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Standard First Language English. The lesson number 17. Grammar. Phrasal verbs. What do you mean by phrasal verbs? That is combination of a verb and a preposition, a verb and an adverb, or a verb with an adverb and a preposition to form a complete unit of meaning is called a phrasal verb. That is combination of verb and a preposition. A verb and an adverb, or a verb with an adverb and a preposition. To form a complete unit of meaning is called a phrasal verb. Well, see, it's quite interesting. Read the following sentences carefully. After vacation, she wanted to get back to work immediately. Get back means resume. He did not turn up for the interview. Turn up means here, arrive or come. Now, take a look at the examples given here with the meaning of each phrasal verb given in the table. See, phrasal verb, structure, meaning. Look into, verb look, preposition into. What is the meaning? Examine. Turn off, turn, plus off. That is switch off. Give back, give plus back. Adverb, that is return. Walk out, that walk plus out. Adverb, that is leave. Carry on, carry plus on. So that is carry on. Continue. The preposition or adverbs that accompany the verbs in the phrasal verbs are known as particles. What are the characters of phrasal verbs? The prepositions or the adverbs that accompany the verbs in the phrasal verbs are known as particles. No suffix or prefix can be added to particles. Example, he made up with his old friends recently. Up is a particle here. When required, only the form of the verb can be changed in a phrasal verb. That is, only the tense can change. Break out, you can change into past tense, broke out. Only form of the verb can be changed. Verb in present tense and verb in past tense. Even though the verb remains the same, the change in the particle can completely change the meaning of the phrasal verb. That is, ran out of. That is, nothing left. Ran after, pursued. So here also ran, but out of the meaning entirely changes. In after also the meaning entirely changes. Ran out of, ran after. Now read the list of phrasal verbs and their meanings given below. Note the way the meaning changes with the change of preposition or adverb. See how it is changed. Put aside, that is save. Put down, that is write. Put forward, suggest. Put in, claim. Put off, postpone. Put away, tidy up. Now, use the phrasal verbs given on the previous page and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Annie Frank dash her thoughts and feelings in her personal diary. Put down. The manager dash good ideas to improve the sales of the new product. Put forward. Mother told Arunima dash all her scattered clothes by afternoon. Put away all her scattered clothes by afternoon. Sona dashed some pocket money to buy a gift for her mother. Sona put aside some pocket money to buy a gift for her mother. Raghu dashed a claim for car insurance after a tree fell on his car. Put in. Raghav put in a claim for car insurance after a tree fell on his car. His trip dashed because the flight got cancelled. his trip was put off. Now fill in the blanks with the words given below and ensure that they mean the same as the words given in brackets. So here, down, off, up, through. These are the words you have to add with the pull, that is reprimand. So the meaning that is pull, reprimand, that is a pull off, reprimand. The second one, succeed. That is succeed. That is a pull off. And third, pull, recover. That is pull through. Pull through. That is, and the fourth one is pull down. So the first one is pull up. That is reprimand. Second one is pull off. That is succeed. Third, pull through. That is recover. And pull down. That is a demolish. So first one off, second off, third through, fourth down. Now see, coming to the C exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verbs from the list given above. The tense may be changed wherever required. The old lady was able to dash the troubled times because of her son's support. Pull through. The old lady was able to pull through. The old house was a dash at multi-storied building was constructed at the site. The old house was pulled down. Pulled down. Third one, the student was dashed by the teacher for not obeying the rules and the regulations of the school. The student was pulled up by the teacher for not obeying the rules and regulations of the school. With his last move, Vishwanath Anand dash a victory, pulled off a victory. With his last move, Vishwanath Anand pulled off a victory. Now make phrasal verbs using the verb look and the given particles. Use them in sentences of your own. The first one has been done for you. Down, out, into, back, after, up. Look down. Look down means example, we should not look down upon the poor people, that is, but help them whenever possible. Here, look into, the police is looking into the matter. Then look back. We must always look forward and never look back in life. Look out. Look out for the ball or you will hurt yourself. And look after. Who will look after your dogs when you will leave for Goa? Then look up. That is, children always look up to their parents. Then types of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are of various kinds. They can be divided broadly into two categories based on their form and functions. Inseparable phrasal verbs, separable phrasal verbs. Read the sentences given below. Fuel supplies are sure to run out. Verb and particle. Here, that is the verb and the particle that make up the phrasal verb run out are placed next to each other and we cannot use them separately. Such phrasal verbs are called inseparable phrasal verbs. Now read the sentence given below. Mother told me to turn the television on. Turn on. Now verb and a particle. In the sentence, the noun phrase the television is placed between the verb turn and the particle on. So such phrasal verbs are called separable phrasal verbs. Now fill in the blanks with the separable phrasal verbs given below and complete the sentences. That is put off, turn on, turn off, put together, clean up. Now dash the radio. Turn on, turn the radio on. So how we should write? Turn on, this will change it. Turn the radio on. Father told me to turn the lights off before I left the room. Father told me to turn the lights off before I left the room. The manager dashed the meeting, dash till next week. The manager put the meeting off till next week. Mother told Anisha to dash the kitchen. Mother told Anisha to clean the kitchen up. The coach asked the players to dash their efforts, dash and win the trophy. The coach asked the players to put their put their efforts together and win the trophy. Now here is a table with the more phrasal verbs and their meanings. Phrasal verbs: cut down, meaning reduce; die down, weaken; bounce back, recover from a problem; ask out, invite someone; ask for, request; make up for, compensate; mess up, commit an error. Same thing, rule out, exclude; run into, meet someone unexpectedly; leave out, exclude; dress up, wear special clothes; do without, survive without something; join in, participate; keep back, hide something. Now, here are some sentences with the phrasal verbs. Identify and underline them, then match them with the appropriate meanings. The teacher wanted to look into the matter and correct the calculation of a percentage for a Rohit. How it change? Examine. So what is that? First one, examine. The grenade blew up in the marketplace, killing innocent people. That is exploded. Second one. The travelers should not give up hope until they reach their destination. That is, give up means here abandon. She could not figure out the theme of the play clearly. Figure out what is the meaning. That is, comprehend or understand. Then fourth one, Rashi gets along well with her cousin Reema. That is, a gets along well. So what is that? Enjoys a harmonious relationship. Then my father ran into his college friend at the mall. Ran into his college friend means that is met by chance. Okay, now next read the passage given here and underline the phrasal verbs. The head examiner walked into, underline, the examination hall and instructed the students to carry on. So underline, writing the answers. She looked into, underline, the attendance sheet and pulled up, that's underline, the students who were wasting time. When the time was up, the students were told to hand over, underline the papers and leave. The examiner also walked out. So walked out with the bundles of answer sheets later. So children, this is the lesson, that is phrasal verbs. I believe you go through again and again, you try to understand. Thank you.